Tires are the most important part of your car. People think it's other things, but the reason it's your tires is because if you're driving a little car or a big truck, there's only 4 things that touch the ground, and that's the tires. And where it reaches the ground and it contacts it, it's called a contact patch. So you want to make sure to check that tire pressure once a month. And while you're there, you don't have to be an expert. Either you're a mechanic or you can look yourself. If the tire tread is worn unevenly or they need to be replaced, I suggest you looking at the MICHELIN CrossClimate2 tire. Now, this tire is different because it has V-shaped grooves in the tread. Now, what does that mean to you? It's an all-season tire that has better wet and dry traction. And at 50 miles an hour, it stops 50 feet shorter. That means it's a safer tire for you and all weather. But on top of that, it lasts longer, 15,000 miles longer, which means you get an extra free year of driving, which makes a lot of sense. Now, if you're looking to save at the pump, Shell across the country has fuel rewards programs. And this program is great because you can save at least 5 cents a gallon every time you fill up. That adds up very quickly. And on top of that, if you've got an FCA vehicle, go to the Uconnect Market and you can buy it in your vehicle and keep it very quick back on the road. And if you're in New Jersey and Oregon, you don't even have to worry about touching anything because they're going to pump the gas for you. So it's something to keep in mind. You can save some money while you're on the road. Now, if you haven't changed your oil in a while, you forgot about it because of COVID, remember, changing your oil is based on mileage, not based on time. And that's why I highly suggest the Quaker State Full Synthetic Motor Oil. If you haven't changed your oil, check that service schedule that's in your owner's manual. This particular oil is great because it gives better lubrication and delivers strong engine performance in cold temperatures. When the temperature gets cold, the vehicle may have trouble starting, and in order to protect that vehicle, you want the full synthetic motor oil. I use it in all my vehicles, high mileage, older vehicles. AutoZone has a sale going on right now through October 19th. Now, you're looking for a great gift. You want to thank someone for the things they've been doing for you. Sabre's Safe Escape 3-in-1 automotive tool is fabulous. Pepper gel, glass break, and seatbelt cutter 3-in-1, $14.99 at Walmart.com. They come in great colors, also great stocking stuffer. And when you're looking to give someone a gift, it's a smart idea. Now, this is the Cobra SC201 Smart Dash Cam. It records in full HD and infrared for at night. This is a really neat item, and everybody's asking for these because they want to protect themselves. If you've got a new driver, an older driver, maybe you're doing ride shares, it's a smart thing to have. All the video records in the cloud, $179.95 at Best Buy. And there's more information on ways to save money and be smarter at laurenfix.com. And we have that in English and in Spanish because we believe knowledge is power.